Welcome student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Subject Applied Mathematics. Myself Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Today's lecture chapter number 6, Application of Definite Integration. Last lecture we have to take the application of definite integration, the area of the curve of a function under the curve, that is important, or enclose the curve. We discuss about the area between two curves and the volume of solid revaluation. Area between two curves, we have to must note that lower limit a, upper limit b, f of x minus g of x dx. Area of region under the f, a to b, f of x dx. Area of the region under g, a to b, g of x dx. That is important. Now area between two curves, must know that capital A is equal to lower limit a, upper limit b, f of x minus g of x dx. As long as f of x greater than equal to g of x, first we need to find the interval. In this example, it is obvious the graph intersect at minus 1, 2 and 2, 5. So we will be using the interval minus 1, 2. Remember, always use the x coordinate to represent the interval, that is important. And in this case, we find the area between the two curves minus 1 to 2. By plotting the points, we have to derive such lower and upper limit. Let us take the example. Find the area enclosed by y is equal to x square and y is equal to 3x minus 2. Y is equal to x square and y is equal to 3x minus 2 is the line equation, it is curve equation. So, comparing x square is equal to 3x minus 2. So, x square minus 3x plus 2 have the factor x minus 2, x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 2, x is equal to 1. So, lower limit 1, upper limit 2, 3x minus 2 minus x square dx is there. What is the integration of x? It is exactly x square upon 2. What is the integration of 1x? Integration of x square x cube. We have to put upper limit and lower limit. We derive the minus 2 upon 3 minus 5 upon 6 1 upon 6 unit square. The shaded region between two curves and y-axis is the rotate about the y-axis by splitting shaded region into two parts, or otherwise find the volume of the solid is we have to consider. So before going to volume, we have to discuss the area of parabola first. Find the area bounded by the parabola. Y square is equal to 2x and x square is equal to 2y. Y square equal to 2x and x square is equal to 2y. So obviously y square is equal to 2x and x square is equal to 2y. We have to enclose only two curves is there. So we have to consider this part here. So for finding lower and upper limit, we have to must equate this. Y is equal to x square upon 2. So we have to split up this. Put in this equation y square minus 2x. Instead of y square, we have to put x square minus upon 2 whole bracket square is equal to 2x. We have x raised to 4 minus 8x is equal to 0. X we have to take common. X cube minus 2 cube is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. So y1 is equal to root 2x, because we know that y2 minus y1 is the formula. So root 2x and y2 is equal to x square upon 2. So y2 minus y1, x square upon 2 minus under root 2x dx is there. What is the integration of x square? It is exactly x cube upon 3. 3 2s are 6, that's why x cube upon 6. Under square root 2x is there, so we have to define it is a under root a is a raised to 1 upon 2, and then under root ab, that is a raised to 1 upon 2 into b raised to 1 upon 2. That's why root 2 into x raised to 1 upon 2. Root 2 is constant. What is the integration of x raised to minus 1 upon 2? Is it exactly the x raised to 3 upon 2, that is 1 upon 2 plus 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. So we derive x cube upon 6 minus under root x raised to 3 upon 2 upon 3 upon 2 is the final answer. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2. By deriving this x quantity, we have to put, instead of x we have to put 2 cube upon 6. Instead of x we have to put the 2, and instead of x we have to put the 0 in this do expression. 0 minus 0 is 0, so that's why we have to derive 2 cube upon 6 minus 2 upon 3 into root 2 into 2 raised to 3 upon 2. We have to simplify and derive the final answer is 4 upon 3 is 1.333 square units. Now we have to find the area of the region between the curves y is equal to 3x minus x square and the line y is equal to minus 1 by integrating with respect to first a is equal to x and b is equal to y. So first we have to find the region between the x, we have to quadrant, we have to consider way. Graph of this 3 minus x square is the curve and y is equal to minus 1 is the line intersecting that curve. So we have to allocate the lower limit is minus 1, or upper limit is 2. No, it is minus 2 to 2, but the function is even. So we have to use the definite integration property. Area is equal to 0 to 2. 3 minus x square minus of 1 dx is there. What is the integration of x square? It is obviously x cube upon 3, and 3 minus 1 is 4 minus x square is the given function. Now what is the integration of 1? It is exactly x. What is the integration of x square? It is x cube upon 3. We have to put upper limit 2 first in this expression, then lower limit is 0. 4 into 2 it is 8, and 2 cube is it is 8 upon 3. Minus instead of x we have to put 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 3s are 24 minus 8 upon 3. So we have to derive that is obviously we have derived into 2. It is 32 upon 3 square unit is the final answer of y is equal to 3 minus x square and the line y is equal to minus 1. Now find the area enclosed by the y is equal to 2x and y is equal to 4x minus x square. By graphically y is equal to 4x minus x square and y is equal to 2x is the line. So in this way, comparing 2x is equal to 4x minus x square. So x square minus 2x is equal to 0. X we have to take common from this expression. We derive x in bracket x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 or x equal to 2 are the lower and upper limit enclose the shaded region here. X is origin obviously, and x is equal to 2 is the distance. So this shaded region area we have to calculate. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2, 4x minus x square minus 2x dx is there. Lower limit 0, upper limit 2, 2x minus x square dx is there. We know that integration of x is x square upon 2. Integration of x square is x cube upon 3. That's why we derive and substitute the value in this expression. X square minus 1 upon 3 x cube, upper limit 2 and lower limit 0. 0 into anything is 0. That's why we have to not need this answer. We have to need 2 square minus 1 upon 2 cube. 8 upon 3 minus 4. We derive 1 into 1 upon 3 unit square. Very small area we have to observe. Find the enclosed by y is equal to x square. It is the Q question. It is asked in a board many times. Y is equal to 3x minus 2. So we have to define this way. The curve and the line intersect at the point minus 2, 0, 0, 4 and 3, minus 10. Calculate the total area between the curves. Curve given as a y is equal to x cube minus x square minus 4x plus 4 and y is equal to 2x plus 4. Plotting is there. We have the lower limit is minus 2 and upper limit is 0. So we have the area of the lower portion, that is top bottom, a to b g of x minus f of x dx. It is the formula to find the area between two curves. Now area is equal to minus 2 to 0. X cube minus x square minus 4x plus 4 is there. Minus 2x plus 4. Equating part is start x cube minus x square minus 4x minus 2x minus 6x plus 4 minus 4 0. So we derive the area is equal to lower limit minus 2 upper limit 0 x cube minus x square minus 6x dx. What is the integration of x cube? It is exactly x raised to 4 upon 4 minus what is the integration of x square? It is x cube upon 3. What is the integration of x? It is x square upon 2. So we derive the final answer in the form of upper limit 0, lower limit minus 2 is there. So therefore 0 we have to substitute, we derive the answer is 0, but we have to substitute minus 2 raised to 4 plus 16 upon 4, minus 2 raised to cube minus 8, minus become plus 8 upon 3, and 6 minus 2 square is 4, 6 are 24, minus 24 upon 2. Equating the fraction, we derive 5 1 by 3 square unit is the answer. The curve of the line intersect at the point minus 2 comma 0 0 comma 4 and 3 comma 10. Y is equal to x cube minus x square minus 4x plus 4 and y is equal to 2x plus 4 in this given expression. Find the area of the region bounded by the graphs of the x is equal to 3 minus y square and y is equal to x minus 1. We have the format y plus 1 and 3x minus y square, it is g of y. If we have to take from right to left, we have to take 3 minus y square minus y plus 1 dy. We know that integration of y square is y cube upon 3. Integration of y is y square upon 2. Lower and upper limit we have to put. We derive the final answer is 9 by 2 using, and it is homework question. You have to solve this way. Find the area bounded by the curve y is equal to x square and the line y is equal to x. So we have y is equal to x square and y is equal to x. So x square minus x is equal to 0. We have to take x common. X in bracket x minus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 or x equal to 1. Lower limit a, upper limit b, y1 minus y2 dx is defined. X square minus x dx is there. We know that integration of x square is x cube upon 3 and integration of x square upon 2. We have to put upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0. 1 cube upon 3 minus 1 upon 2 minus 0. Equating part start and cross multiplication is going on. So we derive the 2 minus 3. It is minus 1 upon 3. 2s are 6. So we derive a is equal to 1 upon 6 or 0.167. The area is positive always. So determinant 1 upon 6 unit is the final answer of the area bounded by the curve y is equal to x square and the line y is equal to x. We have to define. This diagram y is equal to 2x minus 8 is given. Lower limit 2, upper limit 8, 2x minus 8 is dx is given. What is the area we have to find? Only the area we have to find. Find the area of the region bounded by the graph of f of x, x square plus 2, g of x equal to minus x, x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. The area is equal to top curve and minus bottom curve is there. So we have the formula capital A is equal to lower limit a, upper limit b, f of x minus g of x dx is there. Equating these two equations, x square plus 2 minus become plus x is equal to 0. So lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 1 already given. So we have f of x minus g of x. So f of x is x square plus 2. G of x is minus x. So we derive minus become plus x dx is there. So we derive and express x square integration is x cube upon 3, 2 integration is 2x and x integration is x squared upon 2. We have to equate x cube upon 3 plus x square upon 2 plus 2x, upper limit 1, lower limit 0. If lower limit is 0, answer will be 0, but upper limit is 1. So 1 cube upon 3, that is 1 upon 3. 1 square upon 2, that is 1 upon 2. 2 into 1, so 2. 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2 plus 2. Simplify, we derive the expression. Here, denominator 1, we have to consider cross multiplication. 2 into 1, it is 2. 3 into 1 is 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 2s are 6. 5 upon 6 in plus 2. So 1, so obviously cross multiplication again is start. So we derive the final answer is 17 upon 6 square units. In this way, we have to find the area enclosed and under the curve or between the curve. So find the area shown enclosed by the curve and we have to discuss this all topic in next lecture. But we have to revise in this here. Already x equal to 0 and x equal to 1, that is lower upper limit already given in this example. Then we have to solve the above expression between the curves bounded by all these words we have to use to solve the area between two curves by totally y2 minus